I am Dr. K.K. Misra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Our Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on industrial relations and labor enactments. Specifically, this MCQ is dedicated on the topic labor and social security laws. Part first has been already uploaded. This is part second. Now come to the question. Number 1. In dash, the American Federation of Labor AFL issued its own distinctively a political report A. December 1918, B. October 1918, C. December 1819, D. October 1819. Correct option is A. December 1918. Question number 2. Two broad categories of labor law. A. First, collective labor law relates to the tripartite relationship between employee, employer and union. B. Second, individual labor law concerns employees' rights at work and through the contract for work. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Question number 3. India is permanent member of ILO governing body since dash. Options are A. 1922, B. 1969, C. 1972, D. 1991. Correct option is A. 1922. Question number 4. First National Commission on Labor as made in dash A. 1922, B. 1969, C. 1972, D. 1993. Correct option is B. 1969. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, correct options in each question are highlighted here. In case of discrepancy found in any question, that I will be correcting through my narration. Now, question number 5. ILO overcharging goal is dash A. Employment, B. High wages, C. Education, D. Decent work. Correct option is D. Decent work. 6. Trade Dispute Act is introduced in the year dash A. 1939, B. 1949, C. 1829, D. 1929. Correct option is D. 1929. Question number 7. India a dash member of ILO. A. Founding, B. Only, C. Sole, D. Banned. Correct option is A. Founding. So India is a founding member of ILO. Question number 8. First ILO office in India was established in dash A. 1919, B. 1922, C. 1928, D. 1933. Correct option is C. 1928. Question number 9. In industries, it is important for the dash to concentrate in areas of harmony. A. Employers, B. Public, C. Committee, D. Government. Correct option is D. Government. Question number 10. Certain laws are to pay labor according to dash of the nation. A. Income, B. Cost of living, C. GDP, D. Per capita income. Correct option is D. Per capita. 11. No restrictions on child labor till dash was implemented. A. Independence, B. Labor law, C. Commercial law, D. Trade Union Act. Correct option is B. Labor law. 12. No employer can pay less than dash A. Agreed wages, B. Earning, C. Minimum wages, D. Trade union demand. Correct option is C. Minimum wages. 13. Peace and harmony in organization is very important for dash A. GDP, B. Economic development, C. Manpower, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Economic development. 14. For peace and harmony in industries, there is a need of dash A. Reward, B. Punishment, C. Law, D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Law. Question number 15. Globally, laws are made dash in respect of labor. A. Almost same, B. Entirely different, C. Competitive, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Almost same. 16. Award means an interim or a final determination of any industrial dispute are determined by dash A. Labor code, B. Arbitrator, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Correct option is C, both A and B. 17. The Indian Constitution refers to minorities based on dash A, religion or language, B, region or culture, C, state or region, D, culture or caste. Excuse me. Correct option is here C, state or region. Question number 18. Which of the following language is included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? A, English, B, Hindi, C, Bengali, D, Punjabi. Correct option is A, English. Question number 19. Under the law of limitation, suits can be filed within 3 years in cases relating to dash seamen's wages, B, hire of animals, C, price of goods sold and delivered, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 20. The right of review has been conferred by the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. It provides that any person considering himself aggrieved by a decree or order may apply for a review of judgment to the dash A, appellate court, B, high court, C, district court concerned, D, court which passed the decree or order. Correct option is D, court which passed the decree or order. 21. The term cognizance means dash a crime, B, custody without warrant, C, arousing judicial notice, D, custody with warrant. Correct option is C, arousing judicial notice. Question number 22. Who shall nominate the members of advisory committee formed under this act? A, central government, B, state government, C, appropriate government, D, none of the above. Correct option is C, appropriate government. 23. The principle of equal pay for equal work is contained in which article of the Indian Constitution? A, Article 7, B, Article 36, C, Article 39, D, Article 41. Correct option is C, Article 39. Question number 24. Labor issues are solved in dash A, labor court, B, district court, C, high court, D, consumer court. Correct option is A, labor court. 25. First annual conference, International Labour Conference, began on 29th October 1919 in dash A, New York, B, Washington DC, C, Paris, D, New Delhi. Correct option is D, Washington DC. 26. Dash was established as an agency of the League of Nations following the Treaty of Versailles. Options are A, ILO, B, IOL, B, ILO, C, AFL, D, UN. Correct option is B, ILO. That you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.